Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix iPhone cannot connect to iTunes Store. So in the case that you are experiencing some issues with your iPhone not connecting to the iTunes Store, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we can do to solve this issue is to go ahead and launch your settings application. And I want you to go ahead and double check the network settings of your device. To do so, or to do a quick reset to this, all we need to do is to go ahead and scroll to our General tab. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. And I want you to tap on Reset. And I want you to proceed with resetting all of your network settings. What that is gonna do is basically gonna reset your Wi-Fi and all of your network settings. And in turn will possibly solve the problem that you have. Now, what we could also do is to double check our internet connection. If we are actually experiencing some issues with our internet connection, with it not being stable, so you can contact your ISP or your internet service provider to see if you are experiencing some issues. Or also try your cell data or your mobile network to see if that is going to work better for you. And the last thing we could also do to solve this issue is to double check your softwares if you are using the latest version. So to do so, all you need to do to tap on our settings and tap on General Software Update and see if you have an update available via new iOS softwares. If there is, go ahead and update your applications or your devices to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, that is all for this video guys. Think of you still watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.